Hello everyone, welcome to Mirthful Diamond Art. I'm coming today with a small haul from Scented Putty. Yes, always Scented Putty. A Scented Putty small haul. Anyway, from the studios. They are on Etsy. I'm not sure if they have a website. I think they are only on Etsy. And at least for me, they have the perfect putty for the summer months. So, I saw I wanted to get some more because I had a couple of putties from last year, but I knew that they wouldn't last me for the entire summer. So I had to get some more, and they had an offer, a mystery box, like a mystery box, with three cents different, and it was on discounted price, and you could have maximum 2 of those. So I got them both. That means 6 patties. And I was wondering, they probably do that so that you don't have duplicates. And I was right, because I have no seal, and I had to open it as soon as I got it and sniff them. But yes, they are all different. They came in this bubbly pearlescent mailing bag, and on this beautiful organza bag, and inside it is their business card with thank you so much. That's my full name. Nata is short for Nicoletta, and they had my entire name and a discount code. It also has a couple of cute stickers here. I see a cat and I see a stamp with some beauty products. Looks like lip balm there. But the most important is this. So, the classic line mystery bundle. It says here that they are from their classic lines mystery bundle. It's 6 of them, and we're going to look at them one by one. Let me put them upside down so you don't have spoilers. Okay, the first one is red roses. Come on, focus. Let me get that. Okay, the first one is red roses. It doesn't say the weight, but I think they are just about 10 grams each. They have the larger ones that are the pretty ones, and they have all these designs and colors, and they are... I don't know how you guys make it. You have to teach me. I want to know how you make these beautiful patties. So it's just a white block. It's pretty thick. Oh my god, and it smells, I can smell the roses, literally, no pun intended. So that's the one, so beautiful, smells fantastic, and this time I'm going to keep them on the little folder here, on the little baggie, because last year once I had them out of the baggie and they lost the scent. The next one is watermelon. I'm not going to take them out because all are the same white block. Oh, so juicy. It's like watermelon candy. It's not like the fruit itself. It's like candy watermelon. It's fantastic. I love watermelon. Red gummy bear. It's the third one. Come on. The next one, let's see how that smells. Okay, it's good enough to eat. So this is the red gummy bear. The next one is the cherry. smells nice. Cherry, it's like cherry soda. That's what it reminds me, not exactly the fruit, but the soda. The white musk, this is one of my favorites. I love white musk in body beauty products, so I'm sure I will love that too. Yeah, I love white musk. And the last one is pineapple. Oh yeah. Just a hint, so you know. Usually and normally it's better not to smell more than 3, maximum 4 things at the same time, because the sensors in your nose are getting confused. I know this from perfumes, so if you didn't know, that's something new. Oh my god, that's so juicy. Now, this pineapple is pineappling. This is amazing. As I said, the Studios patties. I'm not affiliate, I'm not working with them. I would love to work with them, but I'm not. I just love their patty, and it is the perfect patty for summer. Even if you're a hard placer, because I am a hard placer, and because with the heat here the patties tend to get too stringy, but not the First Studio patty. So if you're looking for a good store, there you have it. I will put a link down below on the description on the Etsy shop, and happy shopping. Let me know if you picked up anything, if I helped you choose any of these. Until the next time, don't forget to shine, and I will see you soon. Bye!